And welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Today again I have a new informative video that is very interesting, that is very wonderful for you. This is all about if you are not getting success in your life, you have some obstacles in your life, in your daily routine matters, and you cannot success, you cannot overcome all these problems in your life. Here I will explain you that how you can cope with all these obstacles, all these problems in your life, and I will suggest you that you can wear this stone, very nice, very inexpensive stone, that is semi-precious stone known as amethyst. The purple color, very nice, very amazing color, beauty, and you can watch in video the color and rough and cut also. So guys, if you are feeling in your daily routine matters you are not going to success, you have some obstacles, these obstacles getting delay all your matters, and you cannot do what you want in time. So these all problems in your life, these all obstacles in your life, how you will cope with these problems, you have to wear this nice stone that is known as amethyst, that is not too much expensive, that is semi-precious stone. You can buy in the market like $2 to $5 per carat, nice one stone. So guys, if you want to solve your daily routine matters, daily routine obstacles, you can wear this stone, you can get amazing benefits of this stone to eradicate all your problems, physical problems and spiritual problems. That's why I recommend you that this stone is enough for you to solve all your daily routine matters. So guys, I would like to say you, please, if you like this video, please share and subscribe also my channel, and click icon button so you could be able to get all those videos I am uploading day by day, you can get in time. Thanks a lot.